Hey there, welcome to today's video where we will dive into an interesting problem that many developers might encounter. Imagine you want to parallelize execution using hyper in Raku. It works like a charm. However, when you try to add gather-take behavior to the loop, things start to get a bit tricky. You come across the challenge of making take work within the context of gather, and that's where the problem lies. Now, let's talk about the solution to this issue. The key here is to understand that Raku does not provide standard atomic data structures for parallelizing operations like gather-take. Instead, it offers great concurrency syntax to handle such scenarios efficiently. In this case, you can leverage the mapreduce capabilities of Raku to distribute your calculations across multiple processes. By doing so, you can achieve the parallelism you desire without running into conflicts with gather-take operations. In summary, tackling the challenge of combining hyperparallelization with gather-take behavior in Raku requires a deeper understanding of a language's concurrency features. While you may face limitations with standard data structures, exploring alternative approaches like mapping and reducing computations can help you achieve the desired parallelism. I hope this video shed some light on this topic for you. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. And as always, happy coding!